Hello and welcome to another unboxing. This is a mystery box from the looks of it, but I know what it is. So it's 6-pack solar light, which you can use for your walkway, for your driveway, for your gardening, design. And they have 7 colors. So you can choose either the changing mode, so it changes to 7 different colors throughout the night, or just one yellow color. And these are the assembly instructions. It is pretty straightforward, and these are sticks that you use to put the every part of it, so everything is packed neatly. That's what I really liked about it. I'm just going to show you quickly inside the box. So I'm assuming the remaining parts are here. Oh yeah, these are the ones that, provide the light for you. Yeah, I just want to draw your attention to how well everything is packed, so you don't have to worry about any of these breaking. So right now the winter is upon us, almost upon us. It's fall season is really cold, so I'm not going to use it yet. I bought it just so that I can use it next spring, but based on the reviews, it appears to be a really solid product. And this is the stake, so it's screwed into the stick here, so you don't have to worry about it breaking while inside the box. Yeah, I'm really impressed with how well packed, and also the reviews are really good, so I'm looking forward to using it. Thank you for watching.